How to create a Tableau extract file in 3 easy steps. Creating a Tableau extract file is straightforward. Let's do it together. A Tableau extract file is a compressed version of your data frozen at a given time. A Tableau extract allows you to remove data connection problems, improve performance, build your visualization faster. Before delivering your insights, remember to refresh your extract file. Creating a Tableau extract file is straightforward. You can do it in 3 easy steps. First, you must have at least one source connected to Tableau. Right-click on the source, select Extract Data. Then specify how much data to extract and which business rules to follow. You can select all rows, the top N, or just a sample. When done, click Extract. Lastly, choose a name and a folder, then click on Save. Congratulations! You are now able to create a Tableau extract file. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting.